English grade 3 lesson 10. One, many. Singular, plural. Monkey, monkeys. Dog, dogs. Parrot, parrots. Worm, worms. Rat, rats. Crow, crows. Cat, cats. Select the animals. Elephant, lion, branch, monkey, desk, chair, cow, fat. Answers: elephant, lion, monkey, cow, rat. Meaning: select and write. Rats, owl, ice, tree. This is an owl. It lives in a. It has big. It eats. Answers and meaning. This is an old owl. It lives in a tree. It has big eyes. It eats rats. Match: duck, owl, cat, dog, cow, sheep. Calf, owlet, kitten, duckling, puppy, lamb. Answers: duck, duckling, owl, owlet, cat, kitten, dog, puppy, cow, calf, sheep, lamb. Meaning: duck, owl, cat, dog, cow, sheep. Calf, owlet, kitten, duckling, puppy, lamb.